join the Patreon, you could join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Spots are filling up quick because there's a cap on the tiers now. So if you guys want to join, cool. If not, that's completely fine too. We just hit, I think, first target, not yet. So my first target was actually at 445 on the SPX. So we're almost at target. The video that I just made, I think today or yesterday, was looking for a Tesla push towards the upside, which we did today. It didn't actually hit my target yet. It did hit 191 and then rejected to the low side. I was looking for a 198. I still think Tesla can push a little bit harder towards the upside. Let me actually get, I think I can probably just, there we go. So regular candles, because we're not trying to do any kind of like prediction, right? So again, we did push up super hard on Tesla. I actually got out of those. If you guys saw my previous positions, it was just Tesla. I got into SMCI and VRT. Currently, we did go up about 400% for the day. You guys know that I did start this account with about $500, and we peaked today at, what is it called? We peaked today at, what's going on with this? Why isn't it loading, bro? There we go. I was like, why isn't this thing loading? Yeah, peaked today at $9,700. And these are the positions that I'm in right now: SMCI, VRT, and Tesla. Tesla is worth very little. I think that's like I think the total worth, what is that, the equity? There you go. So that's how much equity is in every single position. I am looking at getting out of SMCI, obviously, tomorrow. I did catch the full push to the upside. VRT, I do have a different target, and Tesla. Obviously, if you guys want to see how I did this or why I took these, right, you guys can join the Patreon, right? But again, started this account $500 today. In the morning, it was 1,600. Now we're here, hoping this keeps pushing, right? Obviously with like good entries and stuff or whatever, but Tesla worked out pretty well. Back to SPX. I do think as of right now, there's two things that you can do on the SPY, right? Is essentially, actually before we do this, let's clone this real quick. Because again, market loves channels, bro. Market loves channels. So we'll do this, we'll run it up here. And again, see, 24-hour, keep pushing, reject, push, reject, right? You need, as of right now, right, I would consider this, this is bullish, bro. This is bullish, right? Yeah, you have a lot of support, right? I think major resistance is going to be at 5445. I am targeting that midpoint at 5444, 5445, somewhere around this range, but I am looking for a further push to the upside to like 550, 5552 on the SPX. And we can see here, right, we're obviously in super bullish territory, right? You have the SPX just basically trailing sideways on this bear trigger here, right? So I'd definitely be looking at longing right now. And then you have, yeah, I definitely look at longing this in the next, because when is this open? Open 542806, close 5427. Yeah, I wouldn't look at longing. I wouldn't long this until you actually have a close here, right? So in an hour, I would actually look at longing. But again, I still think we're headed to the upside, right? More further upside. There's no news tomorrow, so I do think we keep pushing towards this like 550 level, right? And I would, like I said, I did expect something like this where we either, right, push up here, reject, and then push up again, right? Or essentially just push up. And I think in one of the videos I basically like released that. I think it was like the last 2-3 videos that I made on the SPX. Is I was targeting 545. We're basically already there. And the next target is like 550 plus, right? And I do think we're headed still higher up, right? So again, not too much TA here. Really, I'm just looking for like a further push to the upside, right to that mid-trend, really, up to like 552 before we get an actual rejection to the lower side, right? So I do think we'll push up here before we see any kind of drawback, right? And this would actually be a perfect retest of liquidity, right? So I would expect this to push up 552, maybe retest this 544, 542 level, and then push up again, right? So that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. Ultimate goal here is more than likely the top of this channel at 568, but then obviously we can talk about that a little bit later. But yeah, that's basically it. Everything still looks like it's going up. SPY, I'm still pretty bullish. QQQ is pretty bullish. No reason for me to think that we're gonna have like anything else than a consistent push to the upside, right? And even on the Nasdaq, right, you just broke the fib, so I would not be surprised to see the Nasdaq hit 20,000 887, right? I would really not be surprised to see the Nasdaq up here, and I'll set an alert just for just for us to like have it. But yeah, as of right now, Nasdaq, if you close like this, I can almost guarantee that we're going to 29, right? And then for the SPX, obviously towards like the SPX, right, towards like a top of channel up here at like 567, and that fib up there, I think I set it up because of this target. Yeah, we're still not even, yeah, we're still not there, right? Target's going to be right here at 548. I would say 548, 553 is going to be target for the SPX. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. If you want to join the Patreon, you're still watching, www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.